Hey you guys, what's up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, y'all, you guessed it, we are doing another handbag, kind of like a handbag unboxing, if you will, only I'm unbagging her. So before we get into it, I just want to say, if you're new around here, what's up? My name is Tash, and I hope that before you leave today, you'll hit that subscribe button, as well as that little bell so that you're notified each time I upload, which is generally around about three times a week. Three. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. So first of all, I just want to say I actually found this bag and my little guy here. Isn't she pretty? He pretty. I found these on Walmart. Now, these are by a company called Daisy Rose. So if you're familiar with Daisy Rose, you may have found them on Amazon. Unfortunately, Daisy Rose is no longer being sold on Amazon. And I do want to just put it out there that I'm not going to link the bag down in the description box. I'm going to tell you guys how to find it on Walmart. You just simply go to Walmart or open your app and type in Daisy Rose. Or you could put Daisy Rose bags, etc. You do not want people linking this stuff down in the description box, because what happens is haters that think these are replicas, they end up reporting these companies to the company's site that they're selling on, and then before you know it, the company assumes that they're replica bags, which they are not. There is a difference, and I'll get into that in just a second. But they assume, and then the company is no longer allowed to sell on there. So guys, if you're doing these kind of hauls and stuff, please be careful linking these products down below before we can't get them anymore. Because I know I want some more, and I know y'all want some too. Okay, so the difference between a replica and a dupe is a replica is actually replicating the designer bag, or, you know, clothing, makeup, what have you, like tit for tat. Like, I mean, they got all the I's dotted and all the T's crossed. Like, it looks like the real thing. Usually you can tell the difference though, because it'll be cheaper materials, the stitching may be off, the logos may be crooked, or you know what I'm saying. So you don't want replicas. But I mean, if you're one of those people that likes replicas, girl, do you. I'm not hating. I've been there, done that. A dupe is something that looks similar to it, but it doesn't have the designer name on it. It doesn't have the label. It doesn't have all their little markings that they have. Like, for instance, this one, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. It is one of the checkered designs, and it doesn't have the little areas on there where it says Louis Vuitton, or it doesn't have his monogram on the hardware and things like that. So there's nothing wrong with buying dupe bags. You know, not every one of us can afford to spend, you know, a couple grand or higher on a bag these days. So let's go ahead and unbox her. So this one came in 2 days of ordering. These guys actually do ship from the US. So you're not ordering from China where you're going to have to wait a month to get your product, which is awesome. So it came in a bag like so. And I'm actually opening this up on camera with you guys. I have not opened this bag yet. And then it just comes like this in some more wrapping. And then I noticed that they have this one wrapped in tissue paper. My makeup bag came in Daisy Rose tissue paper, which was really cute. So here we are. Ooh, she's so pretty. Oh, beautiful. I love. I do want to show you guys this little area here that they put the styrofoam in so that you don't get the creasing and things like that in your bag, which top notch. I don't want creasing. It looks terrible. I also want to note that this is vegan leather, so no animals were harmed in the making of this bag. If you've been with me, you know I am a ride or die for my animals. So it does come with the plastic on the handles, as well as on some of the other areas of the bag, like right here. You do get a tag that tells you this is Daisy Rose. And then on the other side, it has some information about the bag. This one is called the Daisy Rose Checkered Tote in black. And then it also has their social information on here, which I'll put down below for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off here, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got all of the plastic off. I want to show you guys these. These are little, I forgot what they're called, but you can make the bag smaller or bigger by pulling like so. Oops, on the sides. So it kind of just holds everything in there a little bit better. I don't use those. Now I have actually had a replica of the Louis Vuitton before, and I can tell you guys right off the bat, this does not have that smell that you get when you order those kinds of bags from China and things like that, and everything feels like good quality. I am telling you y'all, I have carried a bag like that, and you don't want to overstuff these, because what will happen is eventually your handles are going to break, and girl, you're going to be out and you're going to be, you know, walking around with your bag like, oh yeah, this and that, and that handle's going to crack. So I'm telling y'all, be careful if you do the replica thing. Do not overload your bag, because that bag's going to embarrass you. So I can tell you guys right off the bat that the stitching is really nice on these. Now what I like is on here, they did use black stitching. I'm really hoping that you guys can see that. And everything is nice and even. It looks good. Same with here on the bag right here, like on a lot of replicas this will look really bad, and like you'll see stitching poking out. On these you don't see that. It just looks really nice. It feels really soft, nice and easy to clean. You could just take a wet rag to this and wipe it up if it gets dirty. You do have silver hardware on the bag. There you go. As well as spots like here, and then as well as the inside of the bag. Now on the bottom it does not have any feet on it, so you probably don't want to set your bag on the floor if you're in public anywhere where you could like pick up, you know, germs and things like that. Alright, so this does come with one of these little pouches right here. Super cute. It is the same thing, same design with the hardware. Now this is really thin. I was hoping it was a little bit thicker, but I ain't mad at it. Nice zipper, which again with replicas you'll find that usually when you get the stuff, like both sides of the zipper are closed here and your zipper will be stuck in the middle. I said this in my last video, girl, do not buy that stuff. I'm telling you, the zipper will break, get stuck. This, if I could hold it right, there's no resistance on this zipper. It's good quality, so really happy with that. And what it is this actually sits in your bag here, and you can hook it, unhook it. I'm trying to get it unhooked. Like I said, this is the first time I'm opening this bag is with you guys. Just a second and I will show you. Alright guys, so this does come out where you could just carry this, and you could just take it and hook it here on this little piece of hardware and make it a little wristlet if you wanted to, and I'll show you guys that. So you could just carry this if you're just running into the store or you're going out with your girlfriends and you don't want to carry this big bag. I think this is big enough to fit, yeah, my cell phone, probably your cards, keys, things like that. So you could just take that out with you. This will also hook to your belt loop, so you're hands-free. You can do what you need to do. Really like this. And so going inside the bag, there is a hook here and the other little hook right here, and I'm trying to show this to you guys, where you can close the bag like so, and there's no zipper closure on here, it's a hook. Alright, so inside you do have a separate zippered compartment right, sorry guys, right here, and you also have your Daisy Rose tag, which I think is cute. They make some really cute bags, you guys. And then you also have a spot for your cell phone, a cell phone pocket, and then, you know, just another pocket. And these are pretty deep pockets. I'm trying to show you there, here, and here. And then those are all the pockets that you have. The other thing that I do like is they do have a spot for you to hook your keys inside the bag here. There's just like a little silver hardware piece right there, so that's really nice. Overall, I have to say that I'm pretty impressed with this. I didn't think it was going to be this good quality. Like, this is nice, you guys, and I believe the price, you know what, let me pull it up. I'm going to show you guys how much this cost. because I thought it was super affordable. It's enough to where you're also going to get free shipping, and again, you do get 2-day shipping on these. It doesn't say 2-day shipping, but it'll have the date on there, and mine came in 2 days, and I thought it was going to take forever for it to come. Okay, you guys, so this bag does come in 10 different designs. I mean, they have the white checkered print like this, as well as the brown. I actually wanted the brown, but it was sold out when I bought mine. But then I just picked this one because black's gonna go with everything. So for the bag and the pouch that you get with it, it is $49.98, which I think is a steal, especially when you're talking about handbags and things like that, especially when you're talking about quality. So I'm really, really pleased with mine. I'm gonna read you guys a little bit about this, but I also quickly wanna show you guys that it even comes in leopard print. Can we say, hey girl, hey? That is really cute. It also comes in pink snake print, which I think is adorable. That's probably going to be my next one, even though I don't like snakes, but that is gorgeous. So just a little bit of information about the bag for you guys. It is called the Daisy Rose Tote Shoulder Bag with inner pouch. Again, it is vegan leather. Comes in 10 different designs, we'll say. So it does come with free 2-day delivery, my bad. And then it tells you that it's sold by Daisy Rose. About the item, it says Daisy Rose Tote Shoulder Bag with inner pouch. High quality material. Our checkered tote bag is designed with luxury and high quality vegan leather. The hardware silver color, which I told you guys. Convenient design. Our tote bag features a removable zippered pouch with matching interior, a zippered pocket on the back wall, and 2 slip pockets on the front wall. So that's that cell phone holder, or just basically whatever you want to put in there. Your perfume, your body spray, lotion. Do you, boo? Then it says perfect size. The checkered tote bag is spacious enough to hold all you need for everyday use. The inner pouch is large enough to hold money, passport, cards, smartphones like the iPhone 7 and 8, plus the Samsung Galaxy or any other phone of a similar or smaller size. So the dimensions of the bag are, let's see, 12.8 in length by 11.5 height, and then 6.5 depth. So the inner pouch dimension is 8 length by 5 height, so 8, 5. So yeah, I mean, again, this is available on Walmart. The company name is Daisy Rose. So let me know down below if you have actually shopped with them before, or if you are interested in picking up this bag or the makeup bag that I've shown before. I'm going to link the makeup bag video up here for you guys if you want to check that out. It is a super popular bag, and I was so excited to get my hands on it. I love this print. And back in the day when I actually did sell replicas, I had a beautiful barrel bag that had the chocolate print, and it was just so gorgeous, but I kind of felt bad because it was a replica, so I just quit carrying them. Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. Let me know if you guys liked this video by giving it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Either way, it lets me know if you guys want to see more of this kind of content from me. It's also going to let YouTube know to recommend my video in other people's news feeds that may be interested in the same kind of content. So it's super, super important to me, guys. It only takes a second. If you guys are interested in winning or checking out my current giveaway, I am giving away number 1, a Profusion mystery box that's full of makeup, and number 2, you can enter to win a Coldest water bottle. These bottles are amazing. They're insulated. They come in all different sizes. So the Coldest is actually giving away one of these per week to one of you of my lucky subscribers. So don't forget to check out that link down below. If you're like me and you can't wait, there is a discount code. The code is Tasha, and it'll save you some money off if you are interested in purchasing one of these. What I love about this water bottle is it keeps my water ice cold, like literally from fridge to here for 36 or more hours. It's guaranteed, but I did a test on it and it kept mine cold for almost 2 days, and it was still cold when I finished it. So check out the Coldest. All right, you guys, I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. You guys know it means the world to me. Hey to all the new subscribers, welcome. I'm so stoked to have you here. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are. Stay safe out there, guys. Wear your mask. We're still going through the pandemic. And I just want all of you to stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one.